So I'm off to go pick up the Spider. Picking up the Beast from Bob's dealership. They're telling me that that's pretty much normal on these bikes, getting that kind of a noise, and I might hear other noises. I don't know. I feel better now that they told me that everything looks good. Supposedly they checked it out. They can't find a reason for it. But overall, they said everything's fine with the bike. So I'm gonna have to go by what they say. And you know, we'll see what happens. Yeah, now she's making noise at like 29, 28. So I don't know. It was a $35 charge to look at the bike. I didn't find that to be very expensive. Well, I think I figured out what was wrong with the Can-Am. You're not gonna believe it. I started thinking, you know, I adjusted the belt, make sure it was right where it was supposed to be on the pulleys. And then I thought, I wonder if the belt tension is off. So it wasn't making that loud noise when it was brand new. So I'm thinking, maybe the belt just, you know, loosened up because it was brand new, stretched a little bit, and maybe that's the cause of the noise. Well, I tightened the belt up just, man, just like a hair. I turned the adjuster screws half to a 3/4 turn on both sides, and we'll see if there's any improvement. Here we go. Look at that. No noise. Oh, yes! No more noise. It's gone. Unbelievable. That's all it was the tension on the belt. You believe that crap? People say, oh, why do you do your own work? Well, now you know why. So when I brought this home, it was making some noise at like around 28, 29 miles per hour, and it's gone. We should take it on the highway one more time to make sure. We are good. Yeah, noise is gone. Now, don't get me wrong, these bikes do make a lot of noise. More noises than any other bike I've owned, like different kind of noises, but that belt noise, or that noise, was just not normal to me. Now I'm kind of wondering, did the dealer even check the tension on the belt? I'm not saying they didn't check the tension on the belt, but then again, I don't know, you know what I mean? So if you got noise at 49, 50, and 51 miles per hour like I did, loud hum noise, check your belt tension. It might be off. You all take care. Thanks for being here with me. God bless.